Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here. I hope you are enjoying the lockdown in our country. So, without wasting time, let's dive into it. This particular ROM is based on Pixel 4 XL. I would say it's not based, it's actually a Pixel 4 XL ROM for our Redmi Note 7 Pro. Yes, this is Pixel 4 XL images directly ported for our Redmi Note 7 Pro. This is done by one of great developer which is available in our group also. I'll leave the link for the downloads and the profile of that particular person. This is a great Pixel 4 XL ROM for a Redmi Note 7 Pro. Direct images has been transferred to this particular phone, and I can say that it is the most bugless Pixel experience you will be using. So this is not Pixel experience ROM. This is the Pixel 4 XL actual port. So let's get into it. As you go into the settings, you can see that the device name is Pixel 4 XL, and if you go into the system and you see advanced, you see that it's updated to Android 10. Yeah, so this is basically on Android 10 right now, not an Android 11. But if you want a pure experience for Pixel 4 XL and without any hiccups or bugs, go for this particular ROM. I'll definitely suggest this is the best Pixel ROM you can use right now. So without wasting your time, let's get into the features of this particular ROM. uh, if you are already well versed with the Pixel ROM, I will say that skip this video. But if you don't know what feature Pixel actually have in their devices, go through this and you will notice that this is the best Pixel ROM you will be using. Okay, so moving forward, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for the more videos I'll be uploading soon. And after this particular video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. So let's get into it. So first of all, when you see the dialer, in dialer we have an option for settings, caller ID and spam. Yes, caller ID and spam are working great into this. You can also activate the call screening via Magisk if you want to, but that's a different process. It's already been rooted phone, but I'm not using that call screen menu right now because I don't need to use that. But if you are keen to use, you can also use the call screening option from the Magisk module. Okay, now moving forward, you can see it also has a spam manager in messages, as good as other Pixel ROMs. You have all the features. Moving forward to the settings to check what all features it has. So we have face unlock, but this is not working correctly right now because the face unlock has been shifted right now. Okay, network and internet, everything is working. No issues with the network and internet options. You can see that there is a cross mark because the sim which I am using is a dummy sim, not an actual sim. But yeah, you can use all the features of the network. Even VLT is supported as per developer, but I don't have an VLT sim to check right now. But I have got the news that VLT is working, so if you want to, you can try it out. Other than that, in the apps and notification, you have all your basic app and notifications. Battery, you can see it's great. You can see that last I have full charge 7 hours ago and I have used 1 hour 23 minutes, and the battery is working great right now. So I'll say this is the good ROM for battery also. In display, you will see that dark theme and everything is working. You also have styles and wallpapers, which you already must be knowing. You can change everything from here itself. You can also change the wallpapers if you want to. Other than that, so you can see in the advanced, you have other options about font size, display size, and lock screen display also. Yes, you have the lock screen display also. As you can see, it can show time and notifications, idle lock screen. Basically every feature that you need from the Pixel 4 will be working on this particular phone. Just you have to see. Okay, another other than that, sound and everything is working. You can also see that the copying from the recent screen is also working great here. If you can see, you can just copy and paste anything you want from the recent screen apps itself. This is a Pixel exclusive features right now. Other than that, privacy option and everything is working. You will not face any issues with this particular ROM. For camera purpose, you can use the ANX camera, which is pre-built. Yes, it's pre-built camera ANX working in this particular phone. So both video, portrait, front and back, everything is working. You can use this camera if you want to. As you can see, about info, it's an ANX camera. So yeah, you'll have a best camera features available here. You can also use Gcam if you want to. This is pre-rooted. You just need to install the Magisk for the root purpose. Yeah, so I'll say guys, that's it for this particular ROM, and install it if you want to experience the real fluidity of Pixel 4 phones on your Redmi Note 7 Pro. Thank you guys, subscribe and hit the like button.